There are three ways to read the National Electrical Code, or the NEC. There's the print version, the paid online version, and the free access online version. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to access not just the NEC, but all codes and standards published by the National Fire Protection Association for free via their website, including current and previous editions. The easiest way is to go to our search engine of choice and search for NFPA Free Access. Then we'll click the link that says NFPA Free Access Codes and Standards. That will take us to this web page, and we'll click on View the list of NFPA's codes and standards. That takes us here. You'll see that there's a search bar in the middle of the page. We'll use that to find the code or standard that we're looking for. In this case, we can just type in NEC and hit enter. That brings up NFPA 70, the National Electrical Code. Let's click on it. We're almost there. There's just a few more steps. On this page, let's scroll down. You can see that there's an option to select the edition that you'd like to view. In our case, we want to look at the 2026 NEC. Then we're going to want to click on Free Access. One of two things is going to happen. If we don't already have an account with NFPA, it's going to take us to this web page, and it's going to ask us to create one. Creating an account with NFPA just takes a couple of minutes, it's free, and it's well worth it to access all of their codes and standards. Whether we already have an account or we just registered one, we're going to have to accept these terms in order to be able to use the free access version. It's been a long road to get here, but here we are viewing the NEC for free. The free version does have its limitations. For example, you can't search the document. If you're going to be regularly using NFPA standards, it may be worth considering upgrading to NFPA Link, their paid online version, or buying hard copies. Navigating the free version is pretty simple. Let's go to Article 690. First, we can click on Chapter 6, and that's going to show us all of the articles contained within Chapter 6. And then we can scroll down, and we find 690 Solar Photovoltaic PV Systems. Let's click on it. That then takes us to an image version of the article. Here, there's more or less two things that we can do. One is to use the page left and page right buttons to navigate the document, and the other is to use the zoom in and zoom out buttons in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. The downside to having free access to codes and standards is that you no longer have an excuse for not using them.